Hi, good morning, everybody. First of all, thank you so much to India Book of Records for giving us this opportunity. As parents of Athar, we feel very blessed because it's not even at the age of 3 years 7 months. I think he was around 2 when we started observing that he could solve puzzles all by his own. He started off with 6-piece puzzles, and I'm very proud to say today that he's 4 years old and he can solve 108 to 150-piece puzzles all by his own. Amazing. And as he was being recognized by India Book of Records, and I'm very happy to say he won the record there for solving 60-piece puzzles in 6 minutes. So yes, India Book of Records played a major role in actually encouraging us to go ahead.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
So, and I want to tell one more thing that my wife, she's a doctor, she's a pulmonologist, and yesterday she received gold medal in her post-graduation from our honorable president for topping her exams in her postgraduate exams. Yeah, thank you.
हमारे साथ अभी एक और जो रिकॉर्ड होल्डर हैं वो मौजूद हैं अथर्व भारद्वाज, जिनके रिकॉर्ड के बारे में जानकारी दूं तो इन्होंने सॉल्विंग 2 जिगसॉ पजल्स ऑन फार्म एनिमल्स, जिसमें 50 पीसेस थे, और 7 वंडर्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 60 पीसेस. ओके, सो एज 3-7 months. ओके, सो अथर्व, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? Your mother, right? So, ma'am, how are you feeling right now?
I feel very blessed to be having him. Atharv, since the age of 2 only, he used to solve so many puzzles.
Okay.
Actually, that was a coincidence because I was doing my post-graduation, and because I had to focus on my studies, I randomly brought a set of puzzles, around 6-piece, 10-piece and 12-piece. And we were surprised to see that at a very tender age of 18 months, he started solving even the 6 and 10-piece puzzle without any practice. That's how we came to know that, definitely he's having a little instinct into the puzzles. Yeah. So slowly we kept on increasing the number of puzzles, and by the age of almost 2 years 6 months, he started solving over 50-piece puzzles itself. Okay. So then we came to know that yes, there is a record which is available through India Book of Records where we can publish his talent. Okay. So we applied it when he was 3 years 7 months.
Okay. So is there any specific technique or any process? Can you please share with us?
I think he has a very good spatial recognition because he just has a look at the original image. Before he solves the puzzle, he just has a look at the original image, and I think he tries to process it. Even when the pieces are jumbled, he tries to put them all together all by himself. We really did not train him into that.
Okay.
We've just seen him grow. At this given point of time, he can solve easily 108-piece puzzle without any help.
Okay. So please, can you tell something about him, Atharva?
So what I have observed is, the thing is, his photographic memory, whatever it is, if he sees a picture, he remembers that in mind for once, and then he puts the puzzle.
Okay.
Without seeing the picture again.
Oh, so his memory or IQ power is too much. Okay. So what role does this old puzzles played in the development of him?
See, the thing is, it helps in the problem solving capacity, and it helps in spatial recognition, improving the hand movements, eye-hand coordination, and everything. It helps a child. Yeah, you might be familiar with that movie, Tare Zameen Par.
Yeah.
So, for the dyslexic child was trained with the same things. So,
Right.
this is a regular training program every kid should have.
Right.
We are doctors, we both are doctors.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe in Montessori training. So I always I always purchased open-ended toys. We don't have a single battery toy at our home.
Okay.
So through this, I feel he's more individualized. He can he makes his own decisions at the age of 4. And he's very well versed with his day-to-day activities. He's very less dependent, and I feel that gives that little bit of accomplishment, that gives them a lot of confidence, and that goes a long way as he grows.
True. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Atar.
Thank you.
Thank you.